look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
Turtle cat. Kitty's gonna love it when I bring food to him. Kitty, I brought food for you, okay? Why are you so mean to me, Kitty? What the fuck? Just shut. Stop. What the fuck are you doing? It's like I'm a mirror. Oh, my mirror staring back at me.
Ow.
Something tells me that he wants in.
The fearless feline got stuck on a telephone pole for...
I believe I can fly.
How to tell when your cat's eating too much.
You full, buddy?
Slow down, grab, throw up, wiggle like you're trying to make your ass fall out.
Bro, I don't like the way you looking at me. Why you looking at me like that? Why you looking at me like that? Why you looking at me like that? Oh shit!
Meow, 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 meow.
Hello?
Hey, I heard you got the new cat phone.
Yeah, it's the cat's meow.
This is Cal. Say hi, Cal.
What? How are you doing this? I ever told you?
Girl, I teach you how to twerk, and I'm a yank in it.